Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so happy to see you here today. Let me ask you something. How many of you feel like learning English takes too much time? Or maybe you struggle to find time every day to study? If that's you, don't worry, today I have some good news. What if I told you that you don't need extra hours of studying to improve your English? That's right. You can practice English while doing your daily habits every single day without feeling overwhelmed or adding more to your schedule. In this video, I'm going to share practical ways to integrate English into your daily life so fluency comes naturally, almost without effort. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap of small, simple steps you can start today, and they all fit into your existing routine. So grab a cup of coffee, relax, and let's get started. Why daily habits matter. First, let's talk about why daily habits are so important when learning English. Many people think that learning a language is only about studying grammar books or memorizing lists of words. And while studying can help, the truth is that consistency beats intensity. Even 10 minutes a day is more effective than 2 hours once a week. Why? Because language learning is about repeated exposure. Your brain needs constant contact with English, just like it did when you learned your first language. Your daily habits are the perfect opportunity for this. Think about it. What do you do every day? You wake up, brush your teeth, make coffee, check your phone, commute, maybe watch videos or scroll through social media. These are all opportunities to integrate English. Little by little, these small actions build up. 1 week may not seem like much, but after a month and then 3 months, you'll notice your fluency improving naturally without feeling like you added more work to your day. Think about how babies learn to speak. They don't study grammar. They hear, absorb, repeat, and eventually speak fluently. You're going to create a mini English environment in your own life using the habits you already have. And the best part? You control it. So how do we turn these everyday habits into English practice? Let's go through some concrete examples. Examples of daily habits in English. This is the fun part, the part where you actually start seeing how simple and effective it can be. I'll go through a list of daily habits that you can switch into English. Remember, you don't need to do them all at once. Start small, build your habit, and add more gradually. Let's start with something almost everyone uses every day, your phone. Most people spend several hours a day on their phones, so why not turn that time into English practice? Change your phone language to English. It might feel strange at first, but every menu, every notification becomes a mini English lesson. For example, instead of seeing configurações if you speak Portuguese, you'll see settings. Instead of notificações, you'll see notifications. At first, it's just labels, but over time, your brain starts associating English words with actions and meanings in your daily life. Another easy habit is writing your shopping lists or notes in English. Let's say you usually write, buy milk, eggs, bread in your language. Instead, write, buy milk, eggs, bread. It might feel a little strange at first, but your brain begins to link English words to real-life actions. This simple habit trains your vocabulary in a context you already understand, which makes it stick far better than memorizing words in isolation. Next, let's talk about media, music, podcasts, YouTube videos, or short clips. These are incredibly valuable for learning English naturally. Listen to a podcast while commuting. Watch a short video while having breakfast, or listen to English music while cooking. Even if you don't understand every word, your brain is absorbing pronunciation, sentence structures, and vocabulary in a real-life context. I remember when I first started listening to English podcasts, at first it was confusing. I didn't understand most of what they said. But after a month of daily listening, I realized I could understand more than half of it, and my vocabulary started to grow naturally. And I didn't spend extra study hours, I just added it to my routine. You can also integrate English into your morning routine. While brushing your teeth, making coffee, or showering, try speaking to yourself in English. Simple phrases like, good morning, today will be a great day. I'm making coffee now, I feel happy. This internal dialogue trains your brain to think in English naturally. At first, it might feel a little silly, but over time, your brain starts associating these thoughts with English, not your native language. Social media can be a learning tool, too. Follow English pages, read English posts, or even comment in English. Start with short comments, just a word or a sentence. The goal here is to immerse yourself in content you enjoy while using English to interact. The more fun you make it, the more consistent you'll be. Remember, learning English shouldn't feel like a chore. It should feel like a natural part of your online life. Try to read something in English every day, even if it's short. It could be a news headline, a social media post, or a short article. After reading, try summarizing it in your own words in English. This strengthens comprehension and speaking skills at the same time. Even 5 minutes of reading daily can significantly improve your understanding over a few months. And finally, journaling. Take a few minutes each day to write a short entry in English. For example, today I woke up early and made coffee. I feel happy. I listened to a podcast and learned new words. Writing trains your brain to organize thoughts in English, improving grammar, vocabulary, and overall fluency. Over time, your journaling will become more complex, and you'll notice your confidence in writing English has grown dramatically. Now let's discuss the mindset you need to succeed. This is just as important as any habit. First, don't fear mistakes. Mistakes are proof that you are learning. Second, treat English as a tool for your life, not just a school subject. The goal is not perfection, it's communication and comprehension. Think of your daily English habits like fitness exercises for your brain. The more you do them, the stronger your English becomes. Slow and steady progress is what counts, not quick shortcuts. Your goal is to think, speak, and read English naturally, and that comes from repeated exposure and consistent practice. Consistency is key, and here are some tips to help you stick with it. Start small. Pick 1 or 2 habits at first, don't overwhelm yourself. Use reminders. Phone alarms, sticky notes, or apps can keep you on track. Track progress. Celebrate small wins like writing in English 5 days this week. Add gradually. Once your first habits are automatic, add another. By following these steps, your English learning becomes a natural part of your lifestyle, not a stressful task. You don't need expensive courses, extra hours, or complicated apps to improve your English. You just need to integrate English into your daily life. Here's a challenge for you. Choose one habit from today's video and start doing it in English, today. Write in the comments which habit you chose. I want to see how you are taking the first step. Remember, every small step counts. Fluency is built one daily habit at a time, and these small, consistent actions will compound into real results over time. Thank you so much for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who wants to improve their English. And remember, learning English doesn't have to be hard. Make it part of your daily life, and you'll see your fluency grow naturally. See you in the next video, and have a fantastic day.